In this video, we are going to learn now about rational expression. What is rational expression? And how will we simplify rational expression? So first, rational expression can be written in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are both polynomials, and Q is not equal to 0. Always remember that when Q is equal to 0, therefore, the rational expression is undefined. So in each of the fractional form or rational expression, Q is not equal to 0. These are some of the examples of rational expression, which is 3x squared plus, we have 2x minus 4 over 4x minus 5. Another example is 3x squared over 4 and 4x plus 3y over 2x squared minus 3x y plus 4y squared. It is in binomial over a trinomial, trinomial over a binomial, or monomial over a constant value or constant number. So when you're going to evaluate a rational expression, for example, the given there is y equals to negative 2. We will try to evaluate y equals to negative 2 in the expression of y minus 2 over negative 5 plus y. Okay, so how will we simplify now? Just only substitute the value of y minus 2. So therefore, y equals to negative 2. So therefore, you will have now negative 2 minus 2, and the denominator part is negative 5 plus negative or plus negative 2, which is equals to negative 4 over 7 in the rule of operation, in the law of operation. So we have negative over negative becomes positive. So therefore, we will have now 4 over 7. So we will try to use again the same expression, but the value of y now, is equals to 5. What will happen to the rational expression? What will happen to our solution? So therefore, here, as we observed, we will have now the denominator is equals to 0. If the denominator is equals to 0, therefore, the solution now will become undefined, or the expression of the rational expression now will become undefined. Okay, so we have to be able to determine when a rational expression is undefined, right? When the denominator is equal to 0. But if the numerator is equal to 0, no problem. The rational expression is equal to 0. So find any real numbers that will make the following rational expression undefined. For example, this one is our expression 9x cubed plus 4x over 15x over 45. So what value or what's value of x that will give our rational expression undefined? So first thing you will do, you're going to solve only for 15x plus 45, which is the denominator. So we'll have now 15x plus 45 equal to 0, or you're going to equate into 0. So therefore, you will have now x is equal to negative 3. When you're going to check that one, when you're going to substitute x there equal to negative 3, so negative 45 plus 45, that will give our denominator equal to 0, which is undefined. Simplifying rational expression means writing it in a lowest term or simplest we have form. To do this, we have the fundamental principle of rational expression, which is P over or PR over QR equals to P over Q, where Q and R are not equal to 0. Okay? So we are doing these steps. So to simplify a rational expression, first complete the factor of the numerator and denominator, and after that apply the principle of rational expression so that you can eliminate the common factor. And then after that one, you are going to make it in the lowest term. So only common factors can be eliminated from the numerator and denominator, and then make sure any expression you eliminate is a factor. Okay? So always double check your answer so that there will be no problem of mistakes for the sign and also for the common factors. Let's try some examples. Example, we have 7x plus 35 over x squared plus 5x. What are the factors, or what is the factor of 7x plus 35? Which is the factor now is 7 times x plus 35, right? And then the down part there is equal to x times x minus or x plus 5 still. And then after that you can factor out now x plus 5, or you can simply take out, eliminate the common factor, which is common factor is x plus 5. So therefore the answer now is equal to 7 over x. Another example. X squared plus 3x minus 4 over x squared minus x minus 20. What is the factors of the two expressions? Back to algebraic expression. We already learned about how will we factor trinomial expressions or a polynomial. So therefore we have here the factors are x plus 4 times x minus 1 over the factor of x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to x minus 5 times x plus 4. Common factors to be eliminated is x plus 4. Okay, so therefore we will have now x minus 1 over x minus 5. Simplifying the following expression, okay, on this example. What number, or how will we simplify this expression? First thing you will do is first arrange the expression. That will give you negative y plus 7. Then after that one, make the variable positive, so that we will make this one as negative 1 times 7 over 7 times, or y minus 7 over y minus 7. And then we have the common factor now, y minus 7. So therefore your answer is equals to negative 1. Okay, so that is how you will simplify rational expression. In multiplication and division of rational expression, simply multiply the fraction. So we have p over q times r over s, and then we will have pr over qs, and then make it in the lowest term, your final answer. So note that after multiplying such expression, our result may not be simplified form. So we use the following techniques. So we have factor the numerators, multiply the numerators, and multiply the denominators, and simplify or write the product in the lowest term. Okay. So for example, we have 6x squared over 10x cubed over, or times 5x times 12. So therefore we will have now as 2 times 3, we factor it out. So, but it's up to you. No need to factor out like this way. There are a lot of process. This one is just only the basic principle on how to factor. We have numbers, but you can go directly. So for example, here 6 and 12. Okay, they have common factor. You can factor out that one, or you can simplify that one as 1 over 2, right? And then 5, 10, 1 over 2 as well. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 4. And then x squared times x over x cubed, x squared and x, when you're going to multiply, you're going to add the exponent. So therefore x cubed over x cubed is also equal to 1. So therefore your answer is equals to 1 over 4. Multiply the following rational expression. For example, we have m minus n squared over m plus n times m over m squared minus mn. What we are going to do, just simply multiply this one first. Factor this one out. M minus n times m minus n. And then after that, the second one here, m squared minus m, common factor is m. Take out m, and then we will have now m minus n. So here we have m and m is 1. M minus n and m minus n is 1. So therefore your answer now will give you m minus n over m plus n. Okay, next example. For dividing rational expression, when p, q, r, and s are polynomials, again, a reminder, q and s will not be equal to 0. Okay, p over q divided by r over s equals to P over Q times S over R, because we're going to find the reciprocal, right? We're going to find the reciprocal of RS and becomes SR. And then remember, Q and R will not be equal to 0, or S will not be equal to 0, because if S will become 0, therefore the rational expression will become 0 as well. So when dividing rational expression, first change the division into multiplication, and then after that one, find the reciprocal of divisor as the second factor, and then after that try to do multiplication, or you're going to factor first and then simplify. Factor, multiply, and simplify. Example. For example, we have x plus 3 squared over 5 divided by 5x plus 15 over 25. So we are going to do reciprocal first. We have the 5x plus 15 over 25. What is the reciprocal? We have 25 over 5x plus 15. And then after that, factor out. What are the factors? We have x plus 3 times x plus 3 times 5 and 5. And then we have 5 times 5 times x plus 3. And then find all the common factors. And then your answer now will be x plus 3.